Uh-oh.
Okay, Gustavo.
Did she give you back your airplane?
Yep.
Good.
To me, my pig.
Your airplane? Whoa. Stella, careful, honey. Uh-oh, is she being naughty kitten?
Thank you, Gustavo. Okay, scared. Oh, no. Mom, don't be kitten.
Don't be naughty kitten,
That's
Stella.